Sorry, Deepika. Salma may not be available to play a Lafange Parinder for you right now, as the actor is also busy dancing to another tune, something to do with a certain Munni Begum. Vikram has all the news.
मन बलवान लागे चट्टान रहे मैदान में आगे. Yes, he sounds like Salman Khan. Here he is with us. Thank you so much for talking to us, Salman.
Thank you.
So, Chulbul Pandey, are you excited about him?
Yeah, it's a good character. I've had a lot of fun. When you see them, see a character like this on screen, you kind of somewhere want to be that character. So I quite like the character. He's honest. He's straight out. Agar corrupt hai to haan bhaiya corrupt.
हम यहाँ के रॉबिन हुड हैं, रॉबिन हुड पांडे.
What were you thinking when you said yes to this character? Did you go and prepare, look at certain UP cops?
So when I was hearing the script, I would just, usually you visualize yourself playing the character, or you visualize some other hero playing the character. Isme I could not see any hero. I mean, he gives compliments to the girl, कि आज बड़ी खतरनाक लग रही है तुम, बड़ी भयंकर लग रही है तुम, बड़ी जबराट लग रही है तुम. These are the compliments he is giving the girl, that she's looking like outstandingly beautiful and whatever.
I'm sure you've been asked this question a lot of times, that is it an out-and-out action film? It's so close to the way Wanted look. What is it? Is it because you have the same action director that the action looks similar?
This film was supposed to be made on a very realistic level, which is with larger-than-life characters, and the action also was very rustic and everything. But when I got into the film, I knew this was going to happen. So we had to, you're making something big. I mean, nothing comes free, so you got to pump in that much more money for the songs to look beautiful, for the action to be a lot bigger than Wanted. So we shot about 60-70 days of just action in this film. And the twist of this action was Wanted action. Because of the action and everything, it got an A certificate. Out here, we've kept it to a lot of entertainment.
Talking about one entertaining song, it is Munni Badnaam Hui.
Yeah.
And I believe Farah Khan has
choreographed, yeah. Farah has.
And she couldn't choreograph you.
She was like, "Ja kar, jo karna hai tere ko." What I've done with Munni Badnaam Hui, I've just, you go to a function, you see drunk people dancing, and mostly people who, who after 2, 3 who cannot dance and they come and start dancing. That's I've noticed all these people, so I've taken everything from them. So this style is not mine, and I got a really good compliment for this.
Exactly.
That my niece Aliza, she says, "Mamu, you better go for dancing classes because you can't dance at all." Very sweetheart.
Well, thank you so much and best of luck.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for your words. That's a pleasure.